Hey guys, Kevin Fatty here. I'm going to do a training video today on List Profit Generator and Magick. Basically, Magick is a very good script that I've been testing the last, let's say, 2 or 3 months with List Profit Generator, and it's very good for tracking, let's say, the quality of traffic you're getting and if someone's selling bot traffic. So there's a lot of requests for this. Magick, I think it's around $17 a month to track 10,000 visitors. So I do actually recommend it. I've been using it and it's got a lot of good features. The company itself are very good. So I'm just going to start from, let's say you're inside a List Profit Generator members area. You can download the script. You can generate your license key. You have a Magick account. And of course you have your domain with your cPanel. So just like setting up the List Profit Generator the normal way, you have to create a database again. So we're just going to create a database first, and we're going to call this PPL test. Go back and create a username. So PPL test and a password, and back, and we just marry these. So scroll down, add user to database, and select the one we just created and add. Give all privileges, make changes. Okay, so now we can actually download the software, and we can go back to File Manager. Uploading via cPanel is a lot quicker. So we'll just create a new folder for this where we want the paper lead installed. So public.html and new folder. We'll call this PPL test and create new. Now from here we can just open that folder and upload the zip file. Once the zip is uploaded, we can extract the zip. So right click and extract. So again, this is just the same as the normal install. From here, we just go to the folder, IMVIP training, bonus, PPL test, and /install. I can see I've installed it in LPG folder. So the easiest way to do that is just open up the file, select all the files and move, so we can just actually move them back a folder. Okay, perfect. And now if we go to install, we have the List Profit Generator install. So from here, proceed, and here we have to complete the information. So the database name. So for the license key, we just type in the domain name. There's no need to put www or the folder, and just click create license and you'll be given the key. So we'll just go back and username, password, and the license key. License updated. So from here we can log in to the List Profit Generator admin area. Okay guys, right, the next part is you need to go to Magick and you can open up an account there. If you go to the menu, you will see Domain Manager. Now there is a guide here on how to set it up. It is very simple. You just add your domain name, and up here you've got 6 little steps that you have to follow. I would use method 2, and all you're asked to do, guys, is really download the custom files that are going to generate for you and upload them to your server. It's very simple. Depending on your server settings, you might have to change this. A lot of hosting companies are different, but the guys have put really simple instructions here that you'll just have to follow. Okay, so the next part is creating your link in Magick. So if we go to links, you can create groups inside this as well, but just for this example, I'm just going to click create a new link. You can put them into groups if you wish, and I'm just going to give this link a name. I'm going to call this link PPL test 2. and the tracking link, PPL test 2. So the important part, these notes will be inside the PDF underneath this video, but you will be able to take the tracking code. Now I'm just going to take this code here and place that as the primary URL. Now, of course, you guys will have to replace the domain and the folder, just like I'm going to now. So in this case, it is going to be IMVIP training, and what you have at the end is basically 2 forward variables. So if you just copy this code, this will work absolutely perfect. So if we go to advanced settings, from here you decide on what countries you're actually going to pay for. So you've got all countries and you've got only the selected countries below. So select countries, and in most cases people are going to be using, let's say, United Kingdom, United States, New Zealand, and I think Ireland is pretty popular as well. So we're just going to put Ireland in here, and the rest of the countries will go to index N. Just a quick explanation, index.php is always where your top tier countries will go. And if you take the next link here, this is indexn.php. So that kind of just bypasses the pay-per-lead script because you're not actually paying for the lead, and it'll send them directly to the offer. So we'll just paste this code in here, and that will be the backup URL. Okay, from here we will select create link. Okay, so we got PPL test 2, and the drop down here you can add your conversion tracking. So track engagements or tracking conversions. So track conversions, and you'll be given this script. So we'll just copy this and we go to the list profit generator members area, and from here we go to registration and we place this tracking code at the top of this. So every time someone gets a lead, they're actually going to show up in ClickMax tracking. Okay, the next part, it's covered in the other training how to edit this registration file to get people to pass on, but I'm just going to show you in this video as well. Inside the other notes is the script. So we'll just paste that code in and end of script. So here we have the redirect URL. So if you're using jump links, you can follow the guide on jump links. It's very simple. Or if you just want to send people on to the offer, for example, I'm just going to put in a URL in here. And we can copy and paste that and place the exact same URL here. And click save. Okay, we have one last step we need to do. When your affiliates log in, by now they're going to see the default affiliate link. If you want to use Magick, you need to change the file. So we'll just go back to this and we'll have to download the custom membership file. So I'm just going to download this file, right click and save as. And I'm just going to show in folder. You can open this up in Dreamweaver or you can open it up in Notepad. It makes absolutely no difference. You only have to change actually 3 lines of code. So here's the page. So what we need to put in here is, if you go to line 41, you will see enter your ClickBank domain here. And if you go all the way down to the very end, on line 231 and 232, it's got enter your ClickBank domain here. So what we do is we go back to ClickMagick and we grab the link that we just created. So we just click PPL test 2 and we copy this link and we paste it. So enter your ClickMagick domain here, paste, paste, and line 41. And paste. Okay, so I'm just going to save this, save as. I'm just going to call it, I'm actually index.php. I'll just create a new folder for it. New file, index.php, click save, update links, click no if you're using Dreamweaver. Okay, so back to cPanel. From here we can go to File Manager and we need to upload that file. So let's just go to Paper Lead Test and then go to the Members folder, and you will see an index file in here. Once you've made the changes, simply upload this file. You can do it via File Manager, or you can just do it via Core FTP or FileZilla or whatever. So click Upload, choose the file, and overwrite. Okay, now I'm just going to show you how this works. When someone logs into the List Profit Generator members area, we'll just do an example here. Members. They will now see your Magick link, followed by the folder, followed by Kevin. It also works for the sub-tracking IDs, so your affiliates can actually track different conversions as well. So it's very, very simple, guys. Copy the page over and change the links and save and upload. If you've any questions on this, just let us know.